Let us learn a C program or a C code, how to write a C code for installing or for running, compiling the C code. Let us install VS Code. This is the installation for the VS Code. Search VS Code in the Microsoft Edge. Then after download Visual Studio Code, go to the first website and download. Here I already downloaded, I have a file on it. VS Code, open the file. Then after accept, click all next. Okay. Then after all the files which are belongs to VS Code are to be installed in our Windows. After installing, open the VS Code. Click on finish. Next, go to VS Code. Then after, this is the extension for installing the extension like C, C++, Python, including all languages. After clicking here extension, click on search C or C hash hash C++. Then install this extension. After installing, search here dot run. Here for this code, this is the code runner extension. This must be have to be installed in the system. Then after, for storing all the files, click on new file and add a folder to the workspace. Then create a new folder and folder name is keeping as C programs. Then after finish, add to it. See here our file has been created. For this folder we should, for creating some files, click on this new file and give a file name hello.c or print hello world. I am taking as first program.c. .c we will learn further what is it. Then start here code hash include stdio.h. Then after integer main. After print function, which is a system defined function in the C code, printing hello world. This is the main body of the C program. Without this as include and main function, there will be no C program exist, right? Then after compiling, why we will compile means, this is our human readable language. The machine will understand only zeros and ones, right? We know that a machine language will always in zeros and ones. It is binary language. For compiling, click here. Before clicking, select our compiling code, C or C++. Then after, run the code. Here we get the output. See here, go to the terminal. Here we get the output. Whatever the print in the print function, whatever it is given into the print function, it will print whatever it may be. Print hello world, or taking as learning with easy learn. It will print this. Let us see. Compile. See here, what it is printed. Learn with easy learn. It means whatever we write in the print function, it will get our output. It will bring the output from the print function. So this is the main body of the C program. Let us discuss what we learn, what we are going to learn. At the first chapter, in the first chapter, we will learn about introduction of the C, introduction to C. Then in chapter 2, we will learn operators and data types. Then after, in chapter 3, we are going to learn conditional statements. Then after, in chapter 4, we going to know about the loops and its types. Then after, in chapter 5, we were going to learn about the arrays. In chapter 6, what are the pointers, how we will use, where it will use, what is the use of it pointers. Then after, we are going to learn about structures and strings. Then after learning this, we are going to learn about the functions and recursions, how we will define the function and how we will use these functions in the C program. We will discuss. Then after in the chapter 9, how as we are using for storing something, we need some memory, right? For this, how we will allocate the memory in the C program for a variable or for storing any data, that is known as dynamical memory allocation. So we are going to learn that too in the C language, the only for basics, right? These are the all topics we are going to cover.